to our ROTC Commandant, Colonel Ernest Tormes, to Sir Roldan Faradiguela, NCO Tactical Officer, to all our training staffs and officers, and to you, cadets and cadets, good morning. It is an honor for me to be in your front today to give an inspiring message, officers, and be a part of your journey. To the ROTC officers receiving your ranks today, congratulations. We honor not just the symbol of authority they carry, but the profound responsibility that comes with them. Each bar, stripes, or insignia represent countless hours of dedication, sacrifice, and preparation. But more than that, they stand for the values of leadership, service, and integrity that they have embodied to get there. As you step forward into this new role, remember that leadership is not about the rank on your chest, but the strength of character within you. It's about inspiring those around you, lifting others up, and carrying the mission forward with honor. You are not just assuming a position, you are embracing a calling. A calling to lead with courage, to serve with humility, and to rise to the challenges that will test your resolve. As you wear this rank, may it remind you of the responsibility you carry to those who follow, to those who lead, and to the nation you serve. This ceremony marks not only a transition, but a testament to your dedication, resilience, and commitment to something larger than yourselves. Each rank you pin on today signifies more than just an achievement. It represents the trust placed in you as our future leaders of our nation. Remember that the strength you exhibit in times of challenge and the compassion you extend to those under your charge. As you move forward, know that your actions, decisions, and character will shape the teams you lead and the mission you serve. Alam ko po na hindi po madali, no, yung naka-uniforme. Maraming mga battles, maraming pagsubok. The journey ahead will demand more of you, more discipline, more sacrifice, and more responsibility. But know that you are not alone. You stand among our community leaders. And together, you will grow, inspire, and face the challenges ahead with the courage expected of an officer. Wear your rank with pride, but lead with humility. This is just the beginning of a lifelong commitment to service and leadership. Continue to uphold the values that brought you here, and never stop striving to be the best version of yourself. The pinning of ranks is not just a ceremony, it's a celebration of your dedications, responsibility, and the trust placed in a leader to serve with honor and integrity. Once again, congratulations on this remarkable achievement. Lead boldly, serve proudly, and always strive to be the best version of yourself, but both as an officer, as a student, and as a person. Thank you and good morning.